So we have officially made it to the Galpin meet. You guys can see the Supra is here, looking beautiful. Welcome back to another video, guys. I did tell you guys in the last video we were coming here and we made it. And I literally only wiped it down. I didn't even go wash or anything. I just used the all cleaner purpose from Meguiar's, and bro, it literally looks like I washed my car. And it was dusty from Vegas too, because I literally got back from SEMA yesterday and she still looked good. Damn, there's a couple more wipe down spots that I probably should hit, because look, there's still dead bugs right here too. I'll probably give it another little wipe down real quick. DeLorean next to us, and then we found the homie David. He's right there in his Infinity Q50. Literally just wrapped it in this red and it looks good, bro. I think it's called like Vampire Red or something. It is nice. With the gold, I seen a couple of homies over there at the JDM versus Euro booth. A couple more Supras on this side. So yeah, we just kind of got here, so we're still settling in. But right now we're gonna go take a walk, show you guys everything, all the builds here, and then hopefully we get some food too. Looking for the food. Man, look at this beautiful M3 E30. This thing is nice. Next to the M4. These wheels are pretty dope. There's a couple of heaters here, like this blue S15. This thing is beautiful. Then we got a red Supra and some BBSs. We'll be at I Am America literally next week. Another Supra right here on the Blue Mag TEs. Looks nice. Clean, clean. Another Beamer. I think there's an M2 87. Nice. And obviously there's a couple of classics right here in the front row, Type R, but this is more like the JDM side. There's exotics on that side and over there, so we'll probably go walk on that side and all that to see all the like the heavy exotics and everything like that. But hold up, are you recording me, folks? The S2000 right here, this thing is very sick. Damn, look at the engine in here with all the carbon fiber bits. Yeah, this thing is sick. Sheesh. And then they got all the JDMs, some Teslas here. They even got this, which is really dope. The real JDMs right here, the Hondas. This one's really clean. That color is really nice. Ooh, this one's dummy nice. Even that one, the orange. This thing ballin' too. Look at the chrome wheels on here. Looks really good. Got the whole ATV fitting in the back. It's a three-wheeler too. Makes me just want to jump into it and just take off. This one's crazy too. This one's pretty sick. The Datsun. Damn. Full leather. He has a sound system too? Shit, he's shitting on me, bro, just with that sound system. The Supra sound system sucks. Yo, this Supra with this livery, it looks actually pretty good. That blue, then that chrome with the anime, with the Agile V1 lip, which is pretty sick. The Japan plate 890. Damn, we got Gentani in the front board and center with the, what is that, Aventador? Woo! And then the Revuelto, bro, with the wide body kit on it. Damn, this thing is sick. And then like a lot of Lotus mirrors right in the front. But damn, the British Racing Green Porsche GT3. And this is Alex Gantani's. I think this is his new toy he just got. And damn, this thing is beautiful. Especially BRG. You just can't go wrong with the BRG. And he also brought his RWB build right here. One day, guys, one day. Even if it's just this one, not the RS. That's the RS and this is the GT3. And that's the 911, I believe. Yeah, GT3 Touring. These are beautiful. They sound nice when they're like, have a full header system. Another Aventador. Two more Revueltos down there. Damn, bro. This one's sick too. Literally Batmobile right here. And then we got an Audi, McLaren, another Aventador. I mean a Huracan Performante, I believe. So much money. Then that GT3 RS right here. Then the orange Revuelto. This orange is buzzing. It's bright, bro. But you know Alex Gantani, this dude always got to show out with his amazing builds. Dude, that Revuelto with the roof scoop, that thing is beautiful. We got a Gallardo, Aston Martin, another R8, and then a couple more heavy hitters parking on this side. We got an Aston. We got an STO. Damn, this color is crazy. And then we got a Pista. Damn, Ferrari Pista, this is sick. Literally next to the STO. And then we got a Ferrari, I believe it's a 458, or it could be a 488. Either or, I'm not the best with my Ferraris. We got another one, don't even know this one, but I know DDE has it. The Storado. Yeah, this is the Storado. This thing is sick. Looks really good too. And the GT3 RS is crazy. Yeah, this GT3 RS, like that black and silver, just looks good. With the little red accents inside. Dream car SVJ. And the red and black too. Like this is like the spec. I'd probably either do black or red or white wheels on this. Dude, look at the vent too. I didn't even realize how huge this vent is. Damn. And the SF90, beautiful. Another STO. with the Aventador next to it, almost giving off the same color scheme. Another Huracan over here. Got another McLaren, another Ferrari. I love how he painted the works like that cream off-white, and then he did the green sticker. This is tough. This is a beautiful build. I love this. I love this right here. This is probably my favorite one so far out of the whole show. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. This is probably the one right now. Shit, man. This thing is also another dream car right here. 100 Thieves. He's a gamer. Where you at, bro? Where you at? There, we got a Bravis Range Rover right here. This thing is crazy. Man, this lot is all Porsches. Either GT3, GT3 RSs, the turbos. Damn, bro. This one's really nice too. It's like an orangish reddish and like that turquoise with the E88s. We always see this one. Then the black and white GT3 RS. Ooh, this is my spec right here, bro. That black and white roll cage as well. Then we got this BMW bike right here. But this is my spec right here. This is exactly how I would do it. The twins. And then the GT3 MR. Woo! Bro, the MR is nice. Look at this paint. This paint is insane. You guys see that shifting? That purple to gold? Damn, I think it's nice. Yeah, that's paint right here. No wrap, this is paint. Then it shifts to like a blue green. Oh, this is so sick. Right here, this color right here is nice. Oh, and I said Turbo S, this is a Carrera S. My fault. Carrera S and then GT3. The Carreras sound crazy loud with a good header exhaust system or like full downpipes and all that. They sound insane. The turbo spools on this. I've never seen like a GT3 in this color, to be honest. That blue and like silver, brushed silver. Yeah, this is beautiful. Really nice. And I got the purple RWB, the raw welt build in here next to this crazy Mustang. That GTO, I think it's a GTO, is it? It looks like a GTO, but oh, it's a Camaro? I don't see, bro. I don't even know. It looks like a back end of a Mustang almost. I don't know. You guys let me know. I don't really know my American muscle like that. I do, but not all of them. That Continental though, beautiful. Has like that cream color and black. Then we're inside the showroom of Galpin, and then you see the Ford GT. I can't even tell you what this is because I don't even know what it is, respectfully. I'm sorry. Not, you know, educated on it. It almost looks like a Countach, but I don't know. I could be completely wrong, guys. Shit just looks like it though. This, couldn't even tell you. I'm sorry. But a lot of dope, crazy builds in here. Even this one right here, this is insane. The Shelby. The Shelbys are crazy though. I like how they have like the hood pins on there. Over the Batmobile. The Hummer. It's an H1, which is crazy. Damn, that turbo though. If you guys seen the SEMA vlog, you guys would have saw the H1 with the 6x6. That thing is crazy. But this right here is insane too. Those wheels, bro, what? I know this is not daily driven. I don't even think you can drive it, unless it's on air suspension. Oh yeah, damn, that strut.
Fucking massive ass bag.
I want to see it lift up.
What did he say? What do you mean by that?
Is it on a twin turbo setup? It looks like twin turbos. One there and the one back there. Gotta be diesel though, cause that pipe, bro. That exhaust. We got a full-on Hennessy right here. Beautiful, expensive ass car. And apparently it was at the Las Vegas Concord like last weekend with all the high-end expensive cars, and I see why, bro. This thing just looks expensive. It looks crazy. That roof scoop right there, that's already like ingrained into the car. That's crazy. That's dope. Like it's part of the roof too. Insane. But this car is crazy. 32 cylinders, 4 engines, bro. You got one right there, 2, and then the other one right there, and the other one. I bet this shit is so loud. I want to hear it. And now we're in the area, the section where all the classic cars at, like the old school oldies, you know. It's a Chevy though, and it's beautiful. The Bel Airs, yeah. I know these. I know the Bel Airs. This is really nice, actually. The pink. It's like a salmon pink. The interior too, with the steering wheel, the matching seams. Then you got the tissues. I need that for real. This is beautiful. This is nice.
This is nice.
The green one too, yeah. The Impala, yep. Full matching interior as well. And a couple Mustangs. This looks like a Mustang lot right here. Oh no, oh yeah, they're having a hopping show over here. This is where all the lowriders are at. And they got all the lowriders. The 6.4s. One day is to own like a 6.4 Impala just to have, especially like something like this, bro. Black, even the white, the green. Damn, bro. There's some expensive ass Impalas and lowriders, if you guys don't know. Like the suspension to the paint job, everything, bro. Little Nissan trucks with paint jobs like that. Never see anything like this anymore. Same thing with this. Got a whole bike. They painted the roof. Even this whole ass GT race car, bro. Yeah, this Ford GT4, whatever this is, insane. This shit is wide and crazy, bro. Headlights are insane too. And we got an old school Lamborghini. The same thing with this one, old school Lambo. I don't even know my name. If Stradman was here, he would name all these. I believe this is a Diablo. I could be completely wrong though. Let me see. Is it? It is a Diablo. I knew it. Beautiful too, bro. They got a Lamborghini Gallardo, Ferrari. Got another one right here. And they got a Murcielago. Whoo! Yeah, this orange one is beautiful. It almost looks like the SV version. Another Lamborghini. What in the hell? Yeah. A lot of classic cars, a lot more cars over here. Mustangs, Acura NSXs, some Audis. A couple of more classics over there. Really looks like Iron Man spec. This is tough. Looks really nice in all black. It must be nice. This is gangsta right here. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. But yeah, this is a nice little spot right here in the Lincoln. I wish I could take a picture right here with all the little palm trees right here. But I don't like how the ground tilts a little bit like that. I am tired. I'm tired, especially like coming from Vegas yesterday, then going out for her birthday last night as well, and then waking up early, getting here. It's a lot, bro. After this, I'm just gonna go home and sleep. I need to sleep, and then work in the morning again at 5 a.m. Oh my God. R34. I know, I didn't even see this. I didn't even see this R34, but beautiful. Nismo air cooler. Then the S15 we saw earlier, beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna go over there, see the Porsches, see what's up over there. And then we'll probably go head up out of here. Now we got the new Ford GT next to the old Ford GT. Old, the new. Sick. Ferrari SF90 McLaren and the Rolls Royce Cullinan with the Mansory kit. Damn, that R34 was loud as fuck. That just sounded nice. Yo, this R34 is nuts. Damn. Distractions going on elsewhere.